Singsang, Taytay, Layho. My name is Jennifer G. Octavio. I am 30 years old. I am from Alameda, North Cotabato, Philippines. I am married and I have two sons, 20 years old and one 8 years old. I have one daughter. She is 3 years old. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate, and my hobbies are cooking, singing, cleaning, and also I am a pet lover. I have one cat and one dog. My expertise are taking care of children and elderly. I worked as housemaid in the Philippines for 2 years, from January 2022 to January 2024. I served four members in the family, one couple and two children, age 10 years old and 7 years old. My duties are taking care of their children, cooking, cleaning the house, washing clothes, washing dishes, ironing, and marketing. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn money to my family and to my children's future. And I'm willing to take good care of a newborn baby. I can sing a nursery song like Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for the master, one for the Dane, one for the little boy who leads down the lane. To my future employer, please choose me as your helper because I am a hardworking woman, honest, responsible, obedient, and long patience, especially to the children. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities and prioritize my job and finish my 2 years contract or more. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.